To be no end to politics on Prime Minister's visit to Prayagraj for taking a holy dip in the Triveni Sangam. Now Congress party is taking a dig at Prime Minister Modi. It is Udit Raj of the Congress party, in fact, who has put out a post. He is mocking Prime Minister's visit to Prayagraj, and he is also questioning why did the Prime Minister go to Prayagraj today only. He could have chosen some other day. So that's the charge of the Congress party against the Prime Minister. Now today is an important day, viewers, because we have elections in the national capital. There are elections of some by-polls as well. We have Udit Raj, who is joining us on the phone line as well. Mr. Udit Raj, good afternoon. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Why questions are being raised on Prime Minister's visit to Prayagraj? I mean, he can go to the Mahakumbh anytime he wants to.
Say it again.
I'm saying, why are questions being raised, on Prime Minister's visit to Prayagraj?
See, what happened, that the day on which many of them died in a stampede, that was the day the PM Modi would have gone. And what happened? And today, is there any festival or any pious day today? And he would have gone on Mauni Masjid, but he has gone today there to influence the election in Delhi. He has been doing always. So what happened that it is just to influence the election, and he could have gone tomorrow, day after tomorrow also.
No, but the point that the BJP has been making is that, the visit by VVIPs was avoided on important days like the Mauni Amavasya and Basant Panchami, etc. because at that time, the focus should be on devotees, crores of devotees. On such a day, if Prime Minister or any other dignitary would have visited, it would have caused a lot of inconvenience to the devotees. That's the view of the BJP.
He could have gone tomorrow. He can go tomorrow, day after tomorrow. He could have gone. So always he selects the date. Sometimes he goes to Kedarnath, sometimes he goes to South Temple. Always on the day of the voting. It's a well-established fact that he always does it just to influence and where is the model code of conduct.
All right, Mr. Udit Raj, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. With this, we will slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.